Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device and complete the basic tutorial levels if you haven't done so already, and then create your new account. Once you have completed enough levels, from the main menu, you can enjoy any game with your friend. However, there is no feature to add or remove a friend. In order to start playing a game with your friend, tap on the joystick icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into the game modes page. From this page, tap on friendly battle, and now you can create or join a battle. If you tap on the create button, this will generate a battle code which you can share with your friend. In order to start a battle, whoever taps on the join button will be required to enter this code. So just type in this code if your friend is sending an invite or creating a game. After typing in the code, you can tap on the join button and you can immediately start a match with your friend. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a friend into a match on Marble Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.